Alright, welcome back to another waterfall episode. Google Maps, it's a very short walk. This is what Google Maps is telling me to do. I'm here, but there's no, it's just barbed wire fence. So I don't know whether that's been freshly put up or whatever, but there's no style. So we're just gonna kind of off-piste it and wing it and kind of go that direction. But we are in search of a place called Wharnley Burn waterfall. So we're just gonna kind of trek through the bushes and see if we can't find it. It is a bank holiday Sunday, so we're off tomorrow, which is nice. Had a lovely barbecue yesterday, had to tidy up this morning, the missus is away. So, hey, here we are, back with another video. Yeah, let's see how we get on with this one. I know there is definitely a river down this way, because there's a bridge over it, part of the drive here, but as I said, Google Maps, it literally just tells you to turn left off the road or right off the road into literally nothing. So hey, we'll see what we can do. Always an adventure. Like I said, she's away for the weekend, she's in the car, so we're by ourselves, no dogs, we're just in the TT. So yeah, solo mission today. The weather doesn't know what it wants to do, mind. I was warm getting in the car, it's cool when I got here, so I put the fleece on and now it's kind of warm again. So anyway, check it out. Yeah, you can tell nobody really walks through this bit. We may come across a trail, we may not. But hey, who needs a trail when you got some boots? Can I just say, these new, by the way, the Adidas Terexes, unreal boots. Since the minute I put them on, when I first got them, they were just super comfortable. So I highly recommend the Adidas Terexes. Now we're going to go avoid the bog. But yeah, I think these are the Swift R3s or something like that. Premium. That's all I can say, really. Okay, we are on the right path now. I found it right between, just a random footpath right between two private driveways. So it's rather overgrown with nettles, and obviously I'm in the shorts, so I try and avoid as many as I can, but I think I'm going to fail miserably. But it's all good, we're outside, it's warm. I'm definitely going to have to take the fleece off already. I should have probably dropped it at the car, but never mind. Oh, here we go. We've got water. This is a good sign. It's literally just a dirt path between two houses. Oh, here we go. I wonder what people have been doing. Camping or pitching of tents. £80 fixed penalty. What a joke that is. We should be like countries like New Zealand, Australia, America in terms of outdoor activities, not in any other way really. I'm talking mostly America, because fuck that place. But hey, New Zealand, Australia, they've got it right. Campgrounds everywhere, love the outdoors, all that kind of thing, you know. Which way do we go? Do we follow the river? Let's stay on the main path. We don't want to get lost again. But yeah. Finding people just for enjoying the outdoors. I mean, fair enough if you're being like dickheads, it's like a bunch of young'uns and you're just littering everywhere, setting fires and stuff. Not very nice. But like, just to pitch a tent, you know what I mean? Anyway, here we are. The sun might be poking out. Catch some more rays. I've been enjoying the sun the past couple of weeks. It's been lovely. Summer is basically here, I think. Apart from yesterday, which was probably the worst day, even though it was a nice day. Would happen on the barbecue, a bit windy, a bit overcast, but it was nice nonetheless. Comfortable to sit outside in. Oh, here we go. Here's some water. That's what we want to see. And there's your waterfall. No, I'm joking, I'm joking. What an anticlimax that would have been. Oh, I'm going to be supremely disappointed. One of the two. Okay, I recognise the bridge from photos and such. Oh, here we go. Oh, there we are. That was a short walk. Okay, so you can go up on top. And there she is. In all its glory. Let's see if I can get a closer look. We've got the beginnings of some caves as well. That's mad, you can see all the different layers of the rock. That's crazy. Awesome. On the edge. So there you go. Wharnley Burn Force. That's a lovely little spot actually. Lovely little spot. Alright. Gonna dump the fleece. That'll be okay now, won't it? We're going to see if I can climb around and get some shots. I don't know. Let's try. Oh, somebody's been partying. Maybe someone else been going on as well. What a romantic little spot it would be. If we come around here, I can climb up there better and get on top. Because if I go down there, you're not really going to see anything there. Alright, we'll be back. This is even dodgier than it looks over there as well. Another one ticked off the list. So we came up here and we were sitting on this ledge trying to get down, but it would have been a bit pointless. This is awesome. Let's go check out this way. Hey, it's still a warm day, man. Check out these little ravines. Water's so clean, actually. It is not warm though. Outside is, the water's not. Alright, we get over here without falling on the arse. Let's hope so, or they're not too slippy. It's a nice pool there. That's much deeper than it was down there. Look at these cliffs. Awesome, man. There's like little bits and pieces, but there's not too much litter as well. There's like, it's a fairly clean place, which is good. Nice to see. Whoa. Look at that natural. That is crazy. I've never seen something like that. That's so smooth. What's created that? What's living in there? It's like a natural well. That's awesome. I've never seen anything like that before. It's like it's been drilled or something. Yeah, let's keep going. Oh, you fucker. That's slippy. And there we have it. That's where it starts. Lovely little spot, like. Lovely little spot. The midges are getting bad, actually. And just when I said it, 2 cans. Alright, waterfall, done, ticked off. I've got some pretty cool shots there. So we're just gonna head this direction. Yeah, this is a very short walk, actually. It's like a lot shorter than I thought it was gonna be. So I might have a look around these woods, like surrounding the fall. And yeah, I think this could be a pretty short video. But let's see what else we can get up to in the meantime. Okay, we came that way. There's a little trail that kind of goes up onto the cliffs here. So let's go check it out, eh? I think that's it. Nice short jaunt out on a solo mission today. Found a hidden gem as well, which was nice. It's pretty good size for a little local waterfall, mind. Must be good 20 feet at least. Yeah, hope you liked it. If you did, hit some buttons for us, you know, help me out. Hit the like, hit the subscribe if you want to see any more. Yeah, I'm gonna head back this way. Hopefully found where I parked the car. So until next time, peace.